Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your account contact details are current. This avoids lockouts later. Once done, update the Instagram app and sign in. You must have access to the phone number or email tied to the account because Instagram will send verification codes. Now navigate to your profile, tap the menu, then Settings. Make sure 2 separate recovery options exist, email and phone, so you can regain access if one method fails. Next, you go to Settings, then Security, and open two-factor authentication. This is where you decide how Instagram verifies logins. Once there, enable either text message or an authentication app. Choose an app for stronger security because it resists SIM swapping. Follow on-screen prompts. Instagram will send a code to verify or provide a QR code to scan into your authenticator. After confirming the code, Finally, you save the backup codes Instagram provides and store them offline. This step prevents permanent lockout. Once saved, test logging out and back in to confirm the flow works. If you don't receive codes, make sure your time sync is correct for authenticator apps, check SMS signal, and use backup codes. If you suspect compromise, immediately change your password, revoke unknown sessions in security, and contact Instagram support through the app recovery flow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.